Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the background design giveaway drawing, and all you had to do to enter into this drawing was a month ago I did another background design giveaway drawing video, and you just had to leave a comment down below that video with your choice of the next 2 backgrounds that you would like to see in the Basically Amazing printable scrapbook album template. You had a choice of 8 different backgrounds this time, and I am going to go ahead and release 4 new background designs today. The votes have been counted, and the winning background designs for today are, let me find them. Oops, I'm going too far. That's why I can't find them, because I'm going too far. The Ledger one, and this is what the Etsy listing photo looks like. Right, and there's more of the background design. The Ledger will be available in my Etsy shop. The music notes will now be available in my Etsy shop. The patchwork background design in the Basically Amazing will now be available in my Etsy shop. And, oops, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back in there. I had already pre-printed all of these and slid them so that I could move them about where I needed them to go. So I forget that I do that sometimes. And then it's also available in the vintage loose leaf, which this is one of the newer backgrounds. And I'm really excited that this one's going to be released, because they're released in the foundations and they're also released in the add-on photo mats that are available. So whatever wins this background, whatever wins for the Basically Amazing background designs also gets released in these as well. So it gets released in both. So I think the vintage loose leaf photo mats are going to be fun journaling spots. I'm just thinking out loud here. I don't know. You guys might not agree. But those are the 4 background designs that won for this time around. And where'd I do with my other? So the Basically Amazing photo mats, I said it was going to be released in them as well. So they look like this. So here is the Ledger, and I just printed off one. This is the like the patina greenish looking photo corner page. So this is the Ledger. So don't forget, no matter what set of templates you buy, whether it's in the foundations or the photo mats, you also get a full set of plain templates as a free bonus from me with your purchase of your background design. So you get the Ledger, I'm sorry. So now the Ledger is available in the photo mats. The music notes available in the photo mats. The patchwork is available in the photo mats. And then the vintage loose leaf is available in the photo mat. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here so that I don't lose them. I like to keep what's available, or what the background design is out in, over here in this pocket, just so I don't get confused, because I do that pretty easily. So before we choose the background winners, before we choose the giveaway winners for these background designs, I wanted to show you what was left. So on March 3rd, the next drawing is going to be on March 3rd, 2020. It'll be here on my YouTube channel. And the background designs that are left for you to vote will be the script background, the doily background, the collage background, the note paper background. That's it. There's 4 background designs left. You need to at least vote for 2 for the next drawing, which is March 3rd, 2020. So all you have to do is leave your vote in the comments down below this video to be entered in to win your chance at winning one of the background designs. Just leave your vote which ones you want to see next, the next 2 that you'd like to see. Okay, so let's see. I've already pulled in, I've already opened the random YouTube comment picker, and I've pulled in the video URL, and I've already pulled up the comments. So now all I have to do is press start, and we'll get the first winner picked. Debbie oh, I'm not even going to try to pronounce your last name. Love the collage and the doily. Oh, neither one of those got picked today, Debbie. I'm so sorry. Debbie, all you have to do is, there is an email down below in the description box below this video. There is an email address only for giveaway winners. So don't contact me for any other reason through that specific email. It is only for giveaway winners. I will only respond to giveaway winners. Contact me via that email address, and you have 1 week. Let's see, you have until, oh, I don't have my, hold on. You have until February 11th. Let me write that down. Till February 11th to contact me to claim your prize. So what I'll have you do is I will have you confirm who you are. We'll have to confirm that you are who you are. And then I will have you choose between the 4 background designs that were released today, the ledger, the patchwork, the music notes, and the vintage loose leaf. And we'll go from there. So congratulations, Debbie. And now, let's see, I'm going to pick another winner. And then I'm just going to hit start. And the winner is Kathy Holman. I feel like you've won something before. Music notes and script. Well, music notes was released today. So congratulations, Kathy. You need to contact me through that email down below, just for winners specifically, and you have until February 11th to do so. So let me pick another winner. I'm going to pick 4 winners. Let's hit start. And let's see. ISAPPBAG. I love this so much. I would love to see the music notes and collage. Well, you got the music notes, so congratulations. I'm not sure what your name is. Please contact me via that email address down below. You have until February 11th. And please tell me what your name is too, as well. All right, 1 more winner. And start. Lori Davis, doily and script. Oh, neither one of those won today. But all the same, congratulations, Lori. Just contact me via that email down below and before or by February 11th to claim your winnings. So I have one more thing. I have, obviously the next drawing is going to be, I had that wrote down, March, I already said this. The next drawing is March 3rd, 2020. All of this information will be down in the description box below as well. And then I also have a coupon code for you today, and it is valid from today, from when this video goes public, until February 9th, 2020. So the coupon code is amazing20. It's 20% off of everything in my shop with a $10 minimum purchase. It's valid February 4th, 2020 to February 9th, 2020. This is based on my time, Eastern Standard Time. I will have a link, an actual link down below that if you hit that link, it takes you to my Etsy shop and it'll automatically take the 20% off of the qualifying purchases. So if you have any issues, just contact me through Etsy, through your purchase, or just through Etsy, whichever. Contact me and we will get everything fixed up. So congratulations to the winners. Don't forget to contact me via that email down below by February 11th. And don't forget to leave your comment down below for your vote for the next drawing, which is March 3rd. And don't forget to take advantage of that coupon code, the amazing20, for 20% off everything in my Etsy shop. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.